guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we have a huge haul and there was really good bonuses on Ibotta. So I think I had to do 15 bonuses or roll 15 offers to get the bonus. It was a $5 bonus, and I know for like the month of June there is a $10 bonus, and I think that one is like really big, and hopefully this time we reach it. I think it's like 46 offers to get the $10, and today I got a ton of stuff. And I got like 9 tubes of toothpaste, and I'll show you guys what I got and how you can do these deals yourself. If you're new to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can see next week's deal, and we can hit all those Ibotta deals and offers together. And yeah, so let's get started. So it's a little bit of a mess. I got 15 offers to get that $5, and I actually did reach it this time, and this entire haul is only a 75-cent money, or sorry, okay, so it wasn't a money maker, but I only paid 75 cents for everything that you're gonna see, and it is a lot of stuff. And let me show you guys what I got. And so today we went to Target and Walmart. So we got a couple of things at Target, and they have really great deals that I'm probably going to go and hit again to just hit those 46. So hopefully they reset. And then we hit Walmart and got a ton of stuff there too. So let me show you guys what I got. Alright, so starting off at Walmart, we have this amazing deal. So you're going to pick up this Beyond Meat Beyond Burger, the plant-based patties. And so this is a money maker. And so this is priced at $4.84 at Walmart. You're going to get back $5.49 on Ibotta, making this a complete freebie and a 65-cent moneymaker. And these are honestly really good, and it comes with like 2 patties, so we're ready for a little lunch snack. I meant to say lunch, but I mean, this could be a lunch snack if you want to as well. Alright, so today we're going to start off at Target, and so we're going to get 2 of these Skintimate razors for completely free. So you're going to do this in 2 different ways. So the first one, you're going to buy one at $5.99. You're going to get back $4 on the coupons.com app when you submit your receipt, which is $1.99. And then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and get back $2, making that free. So you can do that for one of them. And then for the other one, you're going to go on the Target app and you're going to click a $4 Target Circle app. So it's $4 off any Skintimate razor. You're going to buy one for $5.99. You're going to get the $4 off on the Target Circle, and that's $1.99. You're going to get back $2 on Ibotta, making this completely free. So yeah, go pick up your razors, and hopefully this resets so we can go and get more razors. Okay, so next up, we went a little crazy at Target. So we got 9 packs of toothpaste, but honestly, I had ordered $60 worth of toothpaste, and I think half of them were not available. I think I had ordered 5 of the 3-pack and then 5 of the other 3-pack, and they were not available in my store, but I ended up still getting the gift card even though they weren't available for pickup. And this is such a great deal that I think I might go and do it again. So Target right now has a thing when you buy any 3 Colgate, you'll get a $5 gift card. So since I got, I think the original was 10, 15, 20. So I bought 20 toothpaste in the beginning, and then there was like a $5 gift card for every 3, so I got a $25 gift card. But since half of them weren't available in the store for pickup, they actually gave me the gift card into my app, and so now I have that $25 gift card, and then I got a bunch of toothpaste for basically free. And so hopefully this resets on Ibotta so we can go and get more toothpaste. And I think there's a $5 or a 5% Target Circle, but I don't think it applied because we did it online. But if you do this in store, you can get that 5%, I think, if you get the value pack or the 3-pack. Okay, so each toothpaste I think is like $3.69, and so Ibotta is giving back $2 on each one, so this is a really great deal. And so we're gonna start off with these. I picked up this cavity protection Colgate, and so I bought 5 of these because that was the max that you can do on Ibotta. And then I bought 4 of these. So I got 4 of these baking soda peroxides. You can honestly just buy 3 and make it a really good deal, or you can buy, there's like 3-packs also on Ibotta, so you can hit those offers as well. But my store didn't have these. I did these online for pickup in store. So this ended up being $30, and then I got back. Okay, so for 9 of these toothpaste was $30. I got $18 back on Ibotta because each toothpaste was $2. And then I got a $25 gift card from Target. So in the end, this was completely free and a $13 moneymaker. And I think I had bought in $60 worth of toothpaste. I think it was only like $5-6 that we were gonna pay. But this honestly ended up being such a great deal just because they weren't available in store, even though it's such a good deal for toothpaste, even if your store has them in stock. And then hopefully these reset on Ibotta so we can go get more toothpaste, or I can find like the 3 value pack. Although I did see people buying the 1 and them buying 3 of them, and making the gift card actually works with buying just a single one. So we'll have to try that out for our next shopping haul, so we can, especially since we have such a big bonus that we need to pick up. Alright, so this is the next thing that I picked up. These are the Trolley Sour Gummy Creations. Make sure you get the Martian mix. These are actually really good. I already ate them, but these are only priced at $1. They're really hard to find, but they are priced at $1. Ibotta's gonna give you back 50 cents, and this is only 50 cents for some delicious little gummy snacks. And these actually reset for me, so hopefully I can find them again because they were actually really good. Alright, so this is the next one that we're gonna do. So this one counts for 3 offers. So you're gonna buy 4 of these Minute Agua. They're like the glass bottle water, and so these are priced at only 78 cents per bottle. You're gonna buy 4 of them so you can get those 3 offers. So you're gonna get back $1 for the Minute Agua on Ibotta. You're gonna get back $1 for the Sidral and Ibotta, and then you're gonna get back 10 cents for any water, and making the total $1.02 for 4. And these are actually really good and like extra bubbly, and I love like the fact that they're in the glass bottle, makes it like extra cold to drink. Okay, so I actually did this deal last time, but hopefully it resets so we can do it again, and the fact that it's 3 offers is really great to hit those bonuses. Alright, so this is the next one. This one also has 2 offers attaching to it. So you're gonna pick this up for $5.43. This is the Listerine Strong Teeth. Make sure you get the strong teeth, and make sure to get like the smaller size because they have a bigger size. This is the 500 ml. So pick this one up. It's $5.43. You're gonna get back on Ibotta $1 because it is a Listerine Smart Rinse, and then you're gonna get back $1.50 back on Ibotta because it's a Listerine Strong Teeth. And this comes out to $2.93 for Listerine mouthwash. Alright, so this is the next thing that I grabbed. This is also has multiple offers attaching to it. So this is the Ocean Spray Craisins, and so you're going to pick this up. Make sure that it's the less than half the sugar of raisins. And so this is priced at $2.12. You're going to get back $1 on Ibotta because it's in Ocean Spray Cranberries. And then you're going to get back 25 cents back on Ibotta because you bought Ocean Spray dried cranberries. And this makes this pack 87 cents, and it's nice how they're like individual packs, so you can take them on the go with you for work or school or anytime. So next up, I picked this up. I think it's called La Macerna. So this is like pasta, so you can do any pasta, but this is the cheapest pasta in Walmart. So this is priced at 26 cents. You're gonna get back 10 cents on any pasta, making this only 16 cents. Okay, so this is the next thing that I picked up. This is the One by Poise. It's a 2-in-1 liner, so this is actually a really great deal. So this was supposed to be free, but I didn't realize that the coupons.com app actually didn't have the coupon anymore. So it ended up being really cheap and a great deal anyways. So on Fetch, you're going to get back 5,054 points. And this is priced at $5.46. It's approximately like $5 that you're going to get back with Fetch, making this only about 46 cents. Okay, so this is the last thing that I picked up. So this is the Clean and Clear. I got the Morning Burst. So this one is priced at $4.48. You can actually pick up another Clean and Clear product, and it actually ends up being cheaper or free, but I really like using face wash, so I picked this up. So this is priced at $4.48. You're gonna get back $1 on Ibotta, and then you're gonna submit your receipt to coupons.com and get $1.50 back, making it only $1.98 for this face wash. Thanks for watching my channel. If you liked it, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Leave me a like and let me know which product was your favorite. And let's keep doing more Ibotta hauls. See you next week. Bye.